Welcome back. I am Anshu and you are watching Bottleneck. This is the Agenti AI Cookbook series where we learn and implement design patterns for AI applications using hands-on examples. In our previous video, we explored some of the most important agentic AI patterns: chaining, routing, and parallelization. Chaining helps agents execute tasks step by step, where each stage builds on the previous one. Routing adds intelligence by selecting the most appropriate path, tool, or agent for a specific request. Parallelization improves speed and scalability by allowing multiple tasks to run simultaneously and then combining the results. Together, these patterns enable AI systems to solve complex problems more efficiently and handle increasingly sophisticated workflows. However, there's one important challenge that remains no matter how well a workflow is designed. The first response generated by any agent isn't always perfect. Outputs can be incomplete, inaccurate, or miss critical details. The gap between execution and the quality is exactly why the reflection pattern has become such a valuable addition to modern agentic systems. So, why reflection matters? The reflection pattern introduces a new capability that the other patterns do not provide, and it's self evaluation. While chaining drives workflow, routing guides decision, and parallelization boosts performance. Reflection ensures quality. In many AI systems, agents generate answers without validating their work, which can lead to mistakes, inconsistencies, or overly confident conclusions. These issues become even more noticeable in large multi agent workflows where one incorrect output can influence everything that follows. Reflection addresses this challenge by creating a feedback loop that allows agents to review their responses, identify weaknesses, and make improvements before delivering a final result. By combining reflection with other agentic pattern, AI systems move beyond simple task execution and becomes more adaptive, reliable, and capable of producing higher quality outcomes. So what is a reflection? The reflection pattern follows a simple review and improve cycle that helps agent deliver results. It starts with user initiating the request, then it goes for execute. The agent completes a task and generates an initial response. Then an evaluation is triggered. The output is reviewed for accuracy, completeness, clarity, and alignment with goal. Now the reflection. Based on the feedback, the agent corrects errors, fills gap, and improves the response. Finally, refines and iterate. This process can repeat multiple times until the output meets the desired quality standards. And finally, the final output is delivered. So, in short, reflection enables AI agents to learn from their own work, continuously improve their outputs, and deliver high quality results with greater confidence. Alright, let's do a side-by-side comparison for AI patterns by aspects. Execution. In chaining, tasks run in fixed sequential order. With routing, dynamically selects the best execution path. With parallel execution, it runs multiple tasks simultaneously, while with reflection, it focuses on reviewing and improving outputs through self-evaluation. Decision making. Chaining follows a predefined sequence of steps. Routing uses branching logic to choose the most suitable path. The parallel execution splits the work across multiple parallel branches, that is fan out, and in reflection it makes decision based on the evaluation and feedback. When it comes to speed, chaining is the slowest due to step-by-step execution. Routing is moderate depending on the path execution or selection. The parallel execution is fastest as the tasks run concurrently, and with reflection it is little slower because the additional review and refinement cycle that happens. Then the task dependency. Chaining is highly dependent between the tasks. Routing is medium dependencies based on the selected path. Will with parallel execution, low dependency as the tasks are largely independent and they can run in parallel. or they run in parallel. With reflection, it is a medium dependency as the refinement depends on the previous output. The type of output, chaining produces final output, which is a single output. Routing produces one output for each selected path. Parallel execution combines multiple outputs into a composite result, whereas reflection produces a refined and improved output. In terms of error handling, chaining is weak. Errors can easily propagate downstream. Routing is moderate. Success depends on choosing the correct route. Parallel execution, it's moderate, isolates failure, which may impact some results. Now, in reflection, it's strongest, actively identifies and corrects the issue. When it comes to reliability, chaining is moderately reliable. Routing is variably reliable depending on the routing accuracy. Parallel execution is highly reliable through distributed execution. No matter what, there will be some or other result to process. While with reflection, it is very highly reliable due to the validation and refinement. Key limitations with chaining, we have error propagation across each steps. With routing, we have incorrect path, which can affect the outcome. Parallel execution requires tasks to be independent, and in reflection, it increases latency and computational cost. Then we have intelligence level. Chaining is execution focused, routing is decision focused, parallel execution is efficiency focused, while reflection is self improving and quality focused. So, if you need quality, you have to go for reflection pattern. Flexibility, well, chaining is low in flexibility, routing is medium as it makes a selection through dynamic path. Parallel execution is highly flexible for scalable workloads, and reflection has a very high flexibility through continuous adaptation and improvement. So, as we can say, chaining is best for the structured step-by-step workflow, whereas routing is best for intelligent path selection and dynamic decision making. Parallel execution is best for speed, scalability, and error handling. Parallel execution is best for speed, scalability, and handling independent tasks, whereas reflection is best for quality, accuracy, and continuous self improvement. In essence, chaining executes, routing decides, parallelization accelerates, and reflection improves. Together, they form the foundation of modern agentic AI system. All right. And that brings us to the end of our discussion on the reflection pattern in agentic AI. We have seen how enabling systems to evaluate, critique, and refine their own outputs can significantly improve accuracy, reliability, and overall reasoning quality. Coming up, we will move from theory to practice with a hands on implementation where you will see how to build reflection driven workflows step by step. So, stay tuned. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical insights into AI architecture and design patterns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.